Okay, so let's have a look at what we've got this morning. So let's start as usual with the longer term view of the S&P 500. And just very quickly, 1, 2, 1, 2. I think we're now in this 3 here in the S&P 500. And I'm looking for a minimum of 3014, and ideally I'd like to see this 3 of 3 extend to one of the higher fibs, because I'm looking for the 238.2 overall for the final fifth to tie in with the fibs on the weekly time frame charts. So if I could bring that down and we just look at it on the local subwave. So I've got this 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and I was looking for this. Now at the moment, we're pulling back here in what should be the 4 of micro 3. So it should be a sub-micro degree 4 of this 3 here in the ES, which if we then come down to the hourly time frame, the peak that we saw on Friday at the open hit the 123.6 extension, which is absolutely textbook. We've got an A, B, C. We've hit the 38.2 retrace and the 764 bottom up fib. So I don't really want to see this any lower. Invalidation won't come unless we take this level out here, which is slightly lower, but I don't want to see that. We've bounced right off the lower end of where we should thus far for the 4. So what I'm looking for today, once the market opens, is a push up, small pullback, and then a grind up to this target zone here on the hourly chart, which is between 29.68 and 29.89. I'm not suggesting we're going to do all of that in one session, but I want to see us clear this overnight low by some comfortable distance, and preferably take out Friday's high as soon as possible at 29.47 in the ES. So that's what I'm looking for today. Just bringing it right down to the 15-minute chart. You see there's where I've got the 4. Looks like we've got a small leading diagonal up, so if we might get a small pullback, but I'd like to see that pre-market low hold, subject to the usual shenanigans on the open, and bear in mind the cash market hasn't quite been down to these levels as yet. And then the peak from Friday to be taken out in short order in the ES. Meanwhile, his day trading chart, we're just mucking around down here between the blue lines at the moment. So after the open, I'm looking for 29.30 followed by 29.32.5 to get taken out as early as possible in today's session.